Whoa, my camera. Okay. I don't like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a stained glass picture. It's not really glass related. A little DIY stained glass. So this is what I'm going to do. You guys can do whatever design you want. So I'm going to do probably... what kind of design? How do I do a star? See? I'm gonna do a star, okay? Okay, let's just do this. Where's my pencil? I know I had my pencil here. There we go. Here we go, you guys. And then I'm gonna trace that. Can you believe it's already April, you guys? Soon it will be Izzy's birthday, huh? Alright. Perfect. Now this is what I'm gonna do, okay? Alright, so we're gonna do like lines shooting out. Kinda like a shooting star right now, it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I would like it to be perfect because I'm picky about that. And then when you're done doing this and so on, you guys can do anything you want, but with me, I'm gonna trace this again. So yeah, let's get started. Looks kind of messy at first, but that's okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to focus you guys. I hope you guys understand that part. I think that looks okay. Let's just do this to make it fair. Make sure it looks okay. Sorry, this pencil just isn't working today. So, update on my uncle. He actually is going to assistant living officially tomorrow. As soon as tomorrow, she signed the papers, my aunt. And hearing that is very hard to take in for anybody or anyone. So yeah, it's kind of difficult right now. Not you, Izzy. It's okay. Izzy's like, you're talking about me? No, Izzy. So you trace it kind of like so it can pop out. That looks good. And then I would recommend markers, like if you want to color the lines. I'll show you my first one. Because I tested this out before I started filming. So yeah, let's do this. This is a lot of lines to trace. You think so too, Izzy? Just like that, like what I did with my heart. And you can use markers. So I'm not going to color this on camera because it will take too long. But that's how you do a stained glass. It looks better now. Alright, see you guys soon, okay? Bye.